Merlin's bobbing his head. Might be thinking about taking off. Gonna scratch up a little bit. Oh, look at that stretch. There you go. That's beautiful. We're down by the indoor tennis court at the Boeing Aerospace facility. We've seen this bird here before, and it's been about 3-4 weeks. We're happy to find them. It's our little Merlin. Oh, another nice stretch. Look at that, would you? Good looking falcon. This is our Merlin. We're halfway between Kent and Tukwila, right by the Boeing Aerospace pond. So this guy here from down at the pond, a little bump on the light, so I came down, lucked out, and sure enough, it's our little Merlin. He gave us a couple of good stretches there. Got that head bob. He's looking to see if there's any starlings in that field, but I haven't seen any, but there are a few juncos around, so he may relocate and go over on one of those traffic cones, and he can hunt from the middle of the field there. It's a good sized field, and off he goes. All right, he's poured it on now. All right, goodbye, little Merlin.